Let me talk a little bit about the baits, the number 13 hit stick. In particular, this color that's called Danhold. It's white, kind of looks like the smelt that are down there, I think. But what makes this bait unique over other stick baits, you can basically see it on the outside of the bait. It's these 3 flash discs down on the bottom. And those are weighted, and those actually keel the bait, and they're actually what gives the bait the really good action. But by moving those baits outside of the body, it leaves that whole inner cavity of the crankbait here to make, put a lot of beads in there and make a lot of noise. Those little rattles are moving around, and I think it actually helps draw the fish in.
We've checked every possible box tonight where it's against us, you know, warm water,
yeah,
flat calm.
No wind. I mean,
yeah,
it's
no
just
wind. I mean, nothing dark. And I've run over the past 40 years all these, you know, different lures that have been manufactured, and they were just crushing this thing tonight.
So, I mean, if you're looking for a good night bait, whether it's for casting or for trolling, I think a really good one to look at is the hit stick. With that rattles inside, it just seems to draw the walleyes in.